Question 1. What type of configuration info is used for setting up a wireless connection in Windows? Select all that apply. A. Network name. B. Smart card, optional. C. Encryption type. D. Destination name. E. Security type. F. Internet address, domain name or IPv4/IPv6 address. G. Security key. The correct answers are A. Network name. C. Encryption type. E. Security type. G. Security key. Question 2. Which of the following terms describes the most common type of wired connections used in modern networks? A. Coax. B. WiMAX. C. Ethernet. D. Token ring. The correct answer is C. Ethernet. Question 3. Which of the following takes advantage of cell towers that provide wireless signal coverage for mobile devices? A. WPAN. B. WWAN. C. Satellite. D. WLAN. The correct answer is B. WWAN. Question 4. Which of the following steps provide access to configuration settings for Windows System visual effects, such as animations and shadow effects? Select 3 answers. A. Control panel - programs and features - optimize visual display - personalize appearance and sound effects - visual effects. B. Windows Run dialog box - type in sysdm.cpl and press enter - advanced tab - performance - settings - visual effects. C. Control panel - power options - select a power plan - change plan settings - change advanced power settings - desktop background settings - visual effects. D. Windows Explorer, Windows 7, /File Explorer, Windows 8/8.1/10, right click on the computer icon, Windows 7, /this PC icon, Windows 8/8.1/10, properties - advanced system settings - advanced tab - performance - settings - visual effects. E. Control panel - system applet - advanced system settings - advanced tab - performance - settings - visual effects. The correct answers are B. Windows Run dialog box - type in sysdm.cpl and press enter - advanced tab - performance - settings - visual effects. D. Windows Explorer, Windows 7, /File Explorer, Windows 8/8.1/10, right click on the computer icon, Windows 7, /this PC icon, Windows 8/8.1/10, properties - advanced system settings - advanced tab - performance - settings - visual effects. E. Control panel - system applet - advanced system settings - advanced tab - performance - settings - visual effects. Question 5. Which of the following locations in Windows 7 allows to enable / disable startup applications? A. Startup tab of the Task Manager, taskmanager.msc, utility. B. Windows Settings, settings - apps - startup. C. Startup tab of the System Configuration, misconfig.exe, utility. D. Programs and Features, upwiz.cpl, applet in Windows Control Panel. E. Startup tab of the System Properties, sysdm.cpl, utility. The correct answer is See Startup tab of the System Configuration, misconfig.exe, Utility. Question 6. Which of the following locations in Windows 8/8.1/10 provide access to an interface for managing startup applications? Select two answers. A. Startup tab of the System Properties, sysdm.cpl, Utility. B. Programs and Features applet in Windows Control Panel. C. Startup tab of the System Configuration, misconfig.exe, Utility. D. Windows Settings, Settings-Apps-Startup. E. Startup tab of the Task Manager Utility. The correct answers are D. Windows Settings, Settings-Apps-Startup. E. Startup tab of the Task Manager Utility. Question 7. If a recently installed app, driver, or update for Windows has a degrading effect on system performance, Windows Restore can be used to undo system changes by reverting the computer to a restore point. Methods for accessing Windows Restore include: A. Windows Run dialog box - type in rstrui.exe and press enter. B. Windows Run dialog box - type in sysdm.cpl and press enter - System Protection tab - System Restore. C. Windows Control Panel - System Applet - Advanced System Settings - System Protection tab - System Restore. D. Windows Control Panel - Recovery Applet. E. Windows Settings menu, Windows 8/8.1/10. F. All of the above. The correct answer is F. All of the above. Question 8. If personal files, such as email, documents, or photos are lost or deleted, Windows System Restore can be used to recover such files. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Question 9. Restarting a PC regularly might help in resolving slower performance issues as it shuts down all background processes and clears out the system memory. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 10. Which of the following would resolve problems related to excessive paging and disk thrashing? A. CPU upgrade. B. Disk cleanup utility. C. Adding more RAM. D. Hard drive replacement. The correct answer is C. Adding more RAM. Question 11. Windows power plans manage how the computer is using power. The balanced, recommended, power plan, used by default in certain Windows versions, scales the CPU performance based on its current utilization, which might have a degrading effect on system performance. If the system is running slow, one of the troubleshooting methods is to enable the high-performance power plan or customize the current plan settings. In Windows, the power configuration settings can be found in, select two answers. A. Settings menu, Windows 8/8.1/10. B. Power Options applet in Windows Control Panel. C. System Configuration, misconfig.exe, Utility. D. Administrative Tools folder. E. Security and Maintenance applet in Windows Control Panel. The correct answers are A. Settings menu, Windows 8/8.1/10. B. Power Options applet in Windows Control Panel. Question 12. Which of the following actions would help in resolving Windows network connectivity issues? A. Turning off airplane mode if enabled. B. Adjusting wireless signal range. C. Checking physical cable connections. D. Rebooting router/modem. E. Using Windows built-in troubleshooting utilities. F. Checking network resources permissions. G. Temporarily turning off firewalls. H. Temporarily turning off antivirus and anti-malware. I. Reinstalling the network adapter driver. J. Restarting Windows. K. Manually updating network settings. L. All of the above. The correct answer is L. All of the above. Question 13. In MS Windows, a set of troubleshooting utilities, including tools for solving network-related problems, can be found in the troubleshooting applet located in Windows Control Panel. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 14. Which of the following addresses can be pinged to test the functionality of a network interface card, NIC? Select 3 answers. A. Localhost. B. 1. C. FA80:10. D. 169.254/16. E. 127.0.0.1. The correct answers are A. Localhost. B. 1. E. 127.0.0.1. Question 15. Which of the following Windows command line utilities can be used to renew an IP address? A. ifconfig. B. netconfig. C. iconfig. D. IP protocol configuration. The correct answer is D. IP protocol configuration. Question 16. Which of the following steps in MS Windows allows to update/roll back the network adapter driver or disable/uninstall the device? Select 2 answers. A. Control Panel, Icon View, Device Manager Expand Network Adapters List right-click on the network adapter select Properties from the pop-up menu select the required action from the Driver tab. B. Windows Run dialog box type in dev.msc and press Enter expand network adapters list right-click on the network adapter select Properties from the pop-up menu select the required action from the Driver tab. C. Control Panel, Icon View, Network and Sharing Center change adapter settings right-click on the network adapter select Properties from the pop-up menu select the required action from the Driver tab. D. Windows Settings menu Devices network adapters select the device select the required action from the Driver menu. E. Control Panel, Category View, Network and Internet View Network Computers and Devices right-click on the network adapter select Properties from the pop-up menu select the required action from the Driver tab. The correct answers are A. Control Panel, Icon View, Device Manager expand network adapters list right-click on the network adapter select Properties from the pop-up menu select the required action from the Driver tab. B. Windows Run dialog box type in dev.msc and press Enter expand network adapters list right-click on the network adapter select Properties from the pop-up menu select the required action from the Driver tab. Question 17. What is the correct sequence of steps for accessing the manual configuration interface for IPv4 connections in MS Windows? A. Control Panel, Category View, Network and Internet Options Advanced tab Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, from the Connection Components list click the Properties button fill in the required fields. B. Control Panel, Icon View, Network and Sharing Center Applet Change Adapter Settings right-click on the device select Properties from the pop-up menu select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, from the Connection Components list click the Properties button fill in the required fields. C. Control Panel, Category View, Network and Internet Network and Sharing Center Applet Change Adapter Settings select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, from the Connection Components list click the Properties button fill in the required fields. D. Control Panel, Icon View, Internet Options Applet Connections tab click the LAN Settings button select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, from the Connection Components list click the Properties button fill in the required fields. The correct answer is B. Control Panel, Icon View, Network and Sharing Center Applet Change Adapter Settings right-click on the device select Properties from the pop-up menu select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, from the Connection Components list click the Properties button fill in the required fields. Question 18. Which of the following could be of help in troubleshooting a system that attempts to boot to incorrect device? Select two answers. A. Device Manager. B. Safe Mode Troubleshooting. C. Troubleshooting Applet in Windows Control Panel. D. Disconnecting any removable drives. E. Updating boot order in BIOS. The correct answers are D. Disconnecting any removable drives. E. Updating boot order in BIOS. Question 19. While trying to start their Windows machine, a user receives Windows boot configuration data file is missing required information error message. Which of the following bootrec options should be used by a technician for manual CLI troubleshooting of this error? A. bootrec/scanos. B. bootrec/rebuild. C. bootrec/fixbr. D. bootrec/fixboot. The correct answer is B. bootrec/rebuild. Question 20. Which of the following answers describe S. possible cause S. of the missing operating system error message displayed during system boot? Select all that apply. A. Damaged hard drive. B. BIOS does not detect the hard drive. C. Windows starts in VGA mode. D. System partition not set as active. E. Corrupt master boot record, MBR. The correct answers are A. Damaged hard drive. B. BIOS does not detect the hard drive. D. System partition not set as active. E. Corrupt master boot record, MBR. Question 21. Which of the following actions would be of help in troubleshooting the missing operating system error message displayed during system boot? A. Run startup repair utility. B. Use bootrec.exe to fix master boot record, MBR, errors. C. Verify that the drive is detected in BIOS. D. Use diskpart utility to label the system partition as active. E. All of the above. The correct answer is E, all of the above. Question 22. If an application written for an earlier version of MS Windows doesn't run correctly, the operating system can emulate its own older version to allow a given program to work with newer hardware or software. The compatibility mode settings in Windows can be changed manually by right-clicking the program icon and A. Choosing Restore Previous Versions option from the pop-up menu. B. Selecting Run Program using Recommended Compatibility Settings option from the pop-up menu. C. Clicking on the Properties menu item, and then applying the required settings on the Compatibility tab. D. Selecting Run as Administrator option from the pop-up menu. The correct answer is C. Clicking on the Properties menu item, and then applying the required settings on the Compatibility tab. Question 23. Program Compatibility Troubleshooter is a Windows system utility used for automatic resolution of problems with older applications failing to run on newer versions of MS Windows. Program Compatibility Troubleshooter can be accessed via the Troubleshooting applet in Windows 7/8/8.1/10 control panel. Selecting the Run Programs Made for Previous Versions of Windows option in the Troubleshooting applet launches a guided tool for fixing problems with older programs installed on the current version of Windows. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 24. Which of the following control panel applets in Windows provides options to uninstall, change, or repair applications? A. Programs and features. B. System configuration. C. Troubleshooting. D. Security and maintenance. The correct answer is A. Programs and features. Question 25. Event Viewer, EventViewer.msc, is a Windows utility for monitoring system health and troubleshooting problems with applications, operating system, and hardware. Event Viewer allows for browsing and managing event logs. The most common logs available in Event Viewer include application, system, and security logs. Depending on the severity of the event, application and system logs display events that fall into three categories: information, warning, and error. Information events denote normal operation of the system, such as starting and stopping of system services, or successful completion of some routine background tasks. Warning events point to non-critical errors, for example when installation of a software component fails because the component is already on the system. Error events point to serious issues, for example when programs stop responding and need to be closed by Windows. Security log contains events such as valid and invalid logon attempts, as well as events related to res. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True.